Welcome to Blogging Good Food. Today we are diving into the mouth-watering world of pizza aesthetics. Get ready for a visual feast that will leave you craving for a slice. Let's start with some captivating pizza aesthetic wallpapers that are sure to make your screen look delicious. Feast your eyes on these mouth-watering images. Are you a fan of pizza drawing? Check out these artistic creation. Everyone's favorite dish. From colorful sketches to detailed design, these images are a treat for the eyes. Aesthetic food is all the rage, and pizza is no exception. Explore these tantalizing images of beautifully plated pizzas that not only taste amazing but look stunning too. Planning a pizza night? Get inspired by these cozy and inviting pizza night aesthetics. From dimly light rooms to comfy step up, create the perfect atmosphere for your pizza gathering. Cooking can be an art form, and making pizza is no different. Immerse yourself in these captivating cooking aesthetics. From kneading dough to sizzling topping, it is a visual delight for food enthusiasts. Now, let's tantalize your taste bud with some delectable pizza appetizer. These bite-sized wonders are not delicious, but are also visually appealing, perfect for your next party. Photography enthusiasts, this is only for you. Explore stunning pizza photography that captures every cheesy detail, from close-ups to artistic angles. These images tell a tasty story. Healthy and aesthetic, you bet. Dive into these images of nutritious yet visually pleasing pizza creations. Who said you can have both flavor and fitness? Behold the world of pizza artistry, where culinary creativity knows no bounds. These eatable masterpieces are a feast for the eyes and taste buds alike. Lighten the mood with some hilarious pizza memes. These humorous images and caption will have you laughing while you crave that perfect slice. Thanks for joining us on this visual journey through the world of pizza aesthetics. Don't forget to visit Blogging Good Food and bloggingfoodgood.com for more foodie inspiration. Until next time, stay hungry for great content.